I have two hands, the left and the right. Oh, how I love to see them bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to keep. Dirty little hands are good to wash. Hello, mommies and daddies, uncles and auntie. It's another time we teach at home with Miss Lizzie. Yippee! And today we are going to be learning about something really very interesting. We are going to be learning about the 3 fingers a child or your children can use for gripping. If you have a child that has a bad handwriting, and also if you have a child that is a toddler that is just learning how to write or how to hold a pencil, I'm going to teach you today the 3 fingers that can help your child to write very well and have a beautiful handwriting. 3 gripping fingers, 3 gripping fingers, 3 gripping fingers. Tap, tap, tap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor. Raise it up in the air. Raise it up in the air. Show me your 3 gripping fingers. Wriggle it up in the air. We have 3 gripping fingers that a child can use for gripping. We have the thumb. Can I hear you say it? The pointer, and the thumb, the thumb, the pointer, and the thumb. These are the 3 gripping fingers your child or a child will need whenever he wants to learn how to write. Not only that, if you also have a child that has a bad handwriting, you can also encourage the child to start using these 3 fingers to hold his or her pencil very well. And before you know it, the child will start writing with a beautiful handwriting. The thumb, the pointer, and the thumb. The thumb, the pointer, and the thumb. Show me your 3 gripping fingers. Wriggle it up in the air. 3 gripping fingers, 3 gripping fingers, 3 gripping fingers. Tap, tap, tap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, raise it up in the air. The thumb, the pointer, and the thumb, wriggle it up in the air. Now, parents, we are going to stop here for today. Did you enjoy your time with Miss Lizzie? Today, we learned about the 3 gripping fingers we use for gripping. Now, parents, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next class with Teach at Home with Miss Lizzie. Bye-bye.